Salman said, if you can, you should neither be the first one to enter a market nor the last one to leave it. For a bazaar is a battlefield of Satan, and the standard of Satan is erected there. He narrated that Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha was sitting beside him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept conversing with Hazrat Gabriel alayhi salam. He then got up and went away. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha, who was he? Or whatever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha said, he was Diya. Hazrat Salama radiyallahu anha further said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I thought him to be only Diya until I heard the Prophet's sermon in which he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was informing about Hazrat Gabriel's arrival or whatever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. Mutamir states that he asked Abu Uthman, from who have you heard this hadith? He replied, from Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 6265.